the leadership of the Nigerian Labour Congress and the Trade Union Congress, members of both centers here present, and gentlemen of the press. If you could recall, a while ago, we gave some conditions that we want the government to meet regarding the brutalization of the president of the Nigerian Labour Congress. So we set forth some conditions, and those conditions, they were very, very clear, without ambiguity whatsoever. We said those people that brutalize our president, they must be arrested and they must be persecuted. We also stated as well that the area commander that led the police to carry out the brutalization should be relieved of his duty and he should be persecuted. Then Chinasa, who everybody knew that led the talks, should also be arrested and persecuted. So we went on and on and on. I think the gentleman of the press, you have the list of our demands. We gave an ultimatum that initially expired Wednesday last week. But in the eve of that expiration, we had the joint section of the NLC and the TUC. We looked at it, we felt as a responsible institution that we should give additional 1 week. Let's see if the government will be responsive. In order to further draw the attention of government, we had a picketing section last week, Thursday. But instead of government to come out strongly to condemn this criminality, instead of government to speak and stand on the side of justice and on the side of truth, some people in government, they were running their mouth and making all kinds of statements. So the two Labour Center has resolved to stand firmly by the decision of the joint NEC that was held last week, Tuesday, that effective 001 hours on the 14th of November, we shall declare a nationwide strike. So effective tomorrow or midnight today, a nationwide strike is going to commence. All affiliates of Trade Union Congress of Nigeria, all affiliates of Nigeria Labour Congress, all state councils of the two centers have been mobilized adequately. And this is going to be indefinite until government at all levels wake up to their responsibility. This is the decision of the joint NEC of NLC and TUC, and we are going to carry it out to the latter. Solidarity. There is victory for us. There is victory for us in the struggle for our members. There is victory for us. Forward, ever backward, never. In the struggle for our members, there is victory. Are people united? Can never be defeated. Are people united? Can never be defeated. Are people united? Can never be defeated. Thank you, comrades. Thank you.